Lovely girl, won't you stay? Won't you stay? Stay with me. All my life I was blind, now I see. Lovely girl, won't you stay? Won't you stay? Stay with me. All my life I was blind, now I see. Fleet of black limousines, all tinted machines. Here comes the cavalcade with the armored cars like Berettas, flags on antennas, designed to keep me safe. And oh my, oh hey, hey, here he comes.
So Amy, where are we?
United States.
On the Skerwink Trail in Trinity Bay.
Diamonds cut for the carats. Plaster of Paris, the floats fill up the street. And beauty queens with the white gloves, all sick from the nightclubs. They wave with pageantry. And oh my, oh hey, hey, here it comes, the big parade. Marching bands and barricades make way for the big parade. Canvas covered in resin. The violent men dance the blood ballet. And the bookies say it's the third round. Oh, we knew we would go down. If you don't, it's hell to pay, hell to raise. And oh my, oh hey, hey, here he comes, the welterweight. Take a dive, for goodness sake, and say goodbye to the welterweight. Catholic priest in a crisis, torn between romance and Jesus. We'll win the Civil War. And he says, I'm in love with a woman. Yeah, this is my confession. I'm leaving, I can't be a priest anymore. And oh my, oh hey, hey, there he goes, the man of faith. Left the church for a fiancé, let him love the man of faith. TV cameras and stagehands, American bandstand, electric guitar, and he's singing songs for the lonely. Oh, the girls with the room key, they know all his words by heart. And I'll say, lovely girl, won't you stay? Won't you stay? Stay with me. All my life I was blind, now I see. Lovely girl, won't you stay? Won't you stay? Stay with me. All my life I was blind, now I see. Lovely girl, won't you stay? Oh my, oh hey, here she love, a saving grace. Burn the car, save the place. She's right, a saving grace. She'll lie and steal and cheat and beg you from her knees, make you think she needs it this time. She'll tear a hole in you, the one you can't repair. But I still love her, I don't really care. When we were young, oh, we did enough. When it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done. It's better to feel pain than nothing at all. The opposite of love's indifference. So pay attention now. I'm standing on your porch screaming out, and I won't leave until you come downstairs. So keep your head up, keep your love, keep your head up.